What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aberioji channel, and I want to say thank you for tapping this video. If you've been looking for a video on how to make ginger daddies at home, trust me, you have just fallen on the right video. And please don't turn off, keep your eyes on the screen, and let's continue. But then before we go ahead, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for being here. If you are new, please, I would like to say you're welcome, and consider tapping the subscribe button right below this video. You see that red word subscribe? Tap on it and turn on the notification bell, that bell on the side, tap on it as well. So, and those who are returning viewers, I would like to say thank you for being faithful to me. So today we have these ingredients on this table, and we are making ginger daddies locally at home. So I'm just trying to check if I have everything, and I really see I have everything on table right now. Let's go into the video. So here on the table I have everything that I need. Ginger being the main ingredient is this is ginger grated into small pieces. They look big here on camera, but they are really fine. And then we have the lemon cover gratings. We use them for preservation, and they also have a little effect, a good effect on flavor of the daddies. Yeah. And then why did I really have to pick the ginger once again? Okay, being the main ingredient, I have to remind you, we are making the ginger daddies at home. Okay, and then next we have my sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar, but since we are making two packets, these are 4 kilograms of, using 4 kilograms of flour, we shall need 2 cups of sugar. So that's my 1 cup of sugar. And then here I have my more sugar that I'm going to be adding on. And then I have my baking powder. This is my baking powder. I'll tell you the quantities as we go on. Then I have lemon juice from 4 lemons. Oh my god, and the lemon was juicy. The lemons were juicy, very juicy. Yeah, so this is my lemon juice. And then the milk. The milk is there. The milk is 1 liter of milk. So as I told you, we have 4 kilograms of wheat flour, all-purpose flour, 4 kilograms, the upper packet and the lower packet. Yeah, so whatever quantities I'm going to use here are to be used for 4 kilograms of flour. So let's be attentive and let's dive into the heart of the video. Oh my god, the real heart of the video. So here I have this is a sieve. We use it to sieve ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve my flour. So why do we sieve the ingredients, the sugar, the flour, and all other ingredients? It's because we want to eliminate lumps from the flour, and also want to eliminate dirt. Sometimes those manufactured foodstuffs come along with maybe some particles you just don't understand the origin, and then sometimes the insects, then you wonder how did the insects really get there. You get. So that's why we sieve. I also sieve my sugar. Yeah, so that my 2 cups of sugar, I sieve them. You see there's a black something there. Then I sieve my baking powder. Here I use 4 tablespoons. So then I'll also sieve my lemon juice. I sieve it into the other ingredients and mix. Then I add in my 1 liter of milk and also mix it in. Just make sure you mix really thoroughly. And then I add in my lemon cover gratings and also the ginger, the main ingredient being ginger, and then I mix in thoroughly. Take your time, you don't need to rush about cooking. Yeah, So, and then the next thing is adding my 500 mils of hot cooking oil. You guys, at this point, don't dare push your hand in that mixture, cause it won't be good news. Just use a wooden spoon and mix in well, and then take your time. Take your time. If you're liking this video or enjoying it, please give it a thumbs up. Tap that thumb down this video, and also share with your friends and call them. Let's come and see this, what's going on here. And now at this point, since I want to push in my hand, I've decided to add in some water, cold water, so that I really don't get scalded by the oil. So I really don't feel the heat of the oil at this point, because I first mixed and then added some cold water, and then I'm okay with it. It's not hot like it was before. So I then start kneading and mixing in flour. Ensure to mix in thoroughly. I still repeat, please take your time. Take your time. So after kneading thoroughly, we shall need to cover the dough for 10 minutes and wait for the baking powder to take effect, the sodium bicarbonate to take effect. At this point, we'll either leave it open or cover and wait. After 10 minutes, this is what happens. The dough has increased in volume and it's softer. So then you knead again, not as so long as it was before. Just knead for a short while, and then dust your board where you're going to shape the dough from. Dust the board well and put a sample of the dough. Not a sample, I mean a small portion of the dough, because you can't use it all at a go. Put a small portion and knead a little, and then now roll it out straight, and then you fold to have those two soft crunchy layers. That's why we fold dough after making the first rolling. That's at this point is when now you start cutting out the desired sizes and shapes. The shapes could be round, square, triangular, anything that you'd wish to make. You just need to be creative and artistic, and please take your time. We are making ginger daddies. There's another video of daddies that I made previously, but the other one was vanilla flavored, but this is ginger locally made from home. You're going to like it. So I've made my cuttings of dough. Here they are, and my oil is heating up in the fryer. So I'm going to just put my shaped doughs into the frying basket as my oil heats up, and then after that I'll just dip the basket in the fryer, and then we shall see what comes out. The oil is ready. We can all see this. So when I push in, see what happens, and always ensure you're on medium heat, not again heat that is too hot. When the heat is too hot, instead the daddies just get burnt. So always use medium heat, and then wait. After 10 minutes you'll start seeing a difference. Like here we already see a difference, and then after 10 minutes there will be a very, very big difference. So we can see this is now after some 10 minutes. This is what you see, and the ginger aroma is all over this place. Oh my, this is what we call locally made ginger daddies. Now when they are ready, this is what we have. So nice and crunchy.